Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life. I'm continuing our walk around Kato, Paphos on Saturday morning. And in today's film, we're going to have a look at Poseidonos Avenue. See how much progress they've made. Now, last time I turned right there, so I'll go straight ahead here and turn right just up here, because there is a new gift shop I'm looking out for. Chap got in contact with me. Co-op Tree Creations. I don't know if it's that one. I recognise that name if it was. Mind you, the way my brain works these days. There's Baywatch Bar. I think they're still advertising for a chef. And there's the first part of Bar Street, which is in need of renovation, but up here it's all good. So it might be that co-op tree place. Sorry, I'm talking to myself there. So, it's getting warm already, to say. I said in the last film I made how nice and cool it was, but I'm beginning to feel the heat now. Tropical nights. Let's have a bit more of a look at the church here on the way through. A pretty little place this. All the doors open. Don't think I've ever been inside here. Now I haven't got the right camera, but have you got the option? Oh. Nice and cool in here as well. It's a lovely little chapel. Looks like they do occasionally have a service here as well. What it might be is that they'll just have a service on when it's the feast day of whoever saint the church is dedicated to. I don't think it's St. George, but that would be a good guess normally. Antonius. It's St. Anthony, I guess. Don't know anything about him. I do know St. Dominic is the patron saint of beekeeping. Oh, and St. Nicholas is the patron saint of prostitution, apparently. That's what I read when I was looking up all on Aphrodite. Amazing what you find out. I didn't verify that, by the way. I was too shocked as to find that what Santa Claus was being accused of. So Flares is obviously cleaning up after a busy Friday. Bubbles is obviously doing trade. Oh, someone's in there. Someone's coming to work. My gimbal's playing up. Salts after a while, I think. It should sulk. I have to bloody carry it. That could be a film, When Technology Rebels. Now, someone said, and there's no reason to doubt them, that the car park I'd been going on about being around here is actually behind T&J's chip shop. Now, I'm not going to visit it in this film because I spent the last film up here, the latter part of it, looking around car parks, and I think there's only a certain amount that you'll put up with. So I'm going to continue around to Poseidonos Avenue and make it one film this time. But bear in mind that there's likely a car park there now. What I'll probably do is have one of my driving films feature it. So all you car park fans will get your hit that way. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, there's a cement mixer on the go. And remember, if you like our content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it really does help YouTube promote us. And if you want to help us financially, then go to our paphoslife.com/coffee page, and you can either send us a coffee or click on one of the affiliate links. There's a lot of activity in here. There's Akoursos restaurant on my left. Quick pan round. So, I'm going to swap hands for the gimbal for a bit. There's a cement mixer on the go. Some weird, I think that's just pumping the cement somewhere. It just looks weird because it's doing the pumping right next to where his feet pass. Oh, okay. Looks like some new trees have been installed. I've got to be careful that I don't get wet here, so I'm going to cross over. Well, you can at least see the work in action. Now I'm going to have to take a slight detour to get round all that, but that's come on a bit, which is good to see. Try and get past. Now all we've got to do is cross over here somehow. Might as well get that while I can. Sorry, but I'm more interested in crossing over safely. And having my gimbal get back into behaving itself. Well, once I'm over the road and safe again, I'll pan round so we can have a look at all that. There's a morning huddle meeting going on. Right, so that was where the bulk of the activity on Poseidonos Avenue is at the moment. Not a lot seems to have happened down here. Oh, cross the road quickly before the lorry gets up. Yeah, it's still the same here. Something's happened up here. Don't want to walk into that. Feels like fairly solid underneath now. Not sure what I'm walking on, to be honest. But at least it's not dusty in this portion. Now, if you remember, last time I filmed, there was a bit of chaos outside Pinguino's because they were doing to the pavement there what we just saw them doing up back there, pouring, I don't know if they're doing concrete, but they're pouring something on it. And they blocked off half the road and then put any traffic lights up or anything. And basically, people were trying to get there from both directions and no one was moving. Somehow it cleared, but I hadn't stayed to see that. I can see here where the bollards are going to be going in. They've got nice big holes. Yeah, but it did get cleared anyway. My boring hole there. So if you're going up Poseidonos Avenue, you're much better off, unless you have to cross over, staying on the other side of the road at the moment, because it's quite dusty here. This time though, I'm going to walk straight in front of Pinguino's. Basically because there's nobody around to tell me not to. Who knows, perhaps that cement lorry is going to come down here afterwards and fill in all this. There's Pinguino's, our favourite places to eat and have a nice relaxing drink. And this is the bit that was causing all the chaos. It looks like it's finished now, just about. It's an odd surface, it feels like. It just is the colour, I don't know. But there's going to be a water feature in there, like there was before. Being bobbled by a wasp. and I'll cross over and I'll say goodbye, I think, at the start of the seafront. And the final film in this little trilogy, I'll walk down the seafront and the harbour, doubtless say hello to Henry, and also apparently they're putting up some seating in Paphos Castle, but we'll see more of that in the next film. Okay, I'll have a little. Last time I was finishing off here, there was quite a lot of waves in the sea, but it's calm, so not quite as interesting. But thank you for watching.